What is up, guys? In today's video, we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing, more specifically geared toward those who are either interested in affiliate marketing or just getting started. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to take control of your life with an online business, this is the channel for you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, tick the bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. So if you are watching this video, chances are you have heard of affiliate marketing and you're looking to get a little bit more information, maybe even seeing if it can become maybe a side hustle or maybe even turn it into a full-time income. And if you are a fan of this channel at all, you know how important it is to create multiple income streams, making it possible for you to get paid at all times and not have to depend on a check every 2 weeks. So by far, one of the biggest questions that I get when it comes to affiliate marketing is, does it work? Can you use it to make an additional income stream for you and your family? And in short answer, yes you can. In fact, you can really do really well with it if you know what you're doing. But to be completely honest with you, the majority of people are going to start with affiliate marketing and they're not going to make a single dollar. And sadly, it's not even really your fault. It's the fault of the tantalizing industry that is online business. So the main reason why so many people fail with affiliate marketing or really any kind of online business in general is because there are so many people out there telling you that it's 100% easy to do. But when you are down in the trenches, I mean, getting down to the nuts and bolts of how an online business can be successful, you realize that it takes a lot of work and it's not as easy as that young guy who's driving a Ferrari, sipping Mai Tais on the beach is saying how easy it is. It's kind of like riding a bike. At first, it's a little difficult to be sure to ride a bike safely. You need to make sure that you have the proper headgear, the proper pads, the proper protections to make sure you don't get hurt. And then you finally, you jump on that bike and you start to go. And you know what happens? You're gonna fall. And you're probably not just going to fall once. You're probably gonna fall 2 or 3 times, if not more, before you actually figure out the balance that you need to ride a bike. And then, like anybody who has learned to ride a bike, you stick with it. You keep going, you get a little better the more and more that you practice. And eventually you establish that balance in your head, and all of a sudden you can ride along on 2 wheels on a bike safely. See, now you're riding that bike and you really can't be stopped. And you're like a modern day Lance Armstrong. Okay, maybe not Lance Armstrong. He probably isn't a good example. But who else rides bikes? Okay, no, you know what? We're just going to go with the Lance Armstrong example. You know what I'm talking about. So at the end of the day, you kind of realize that riding a bike takes effort. It's difficult. It's hard, especially if you've never done it before. It takes persistence. It takes patience. It takes practice. And you see, that's basically what affiliate marketing is, or really just any endeavor that you really pursue. You get good at it based on how much you put into it. And really, learning an online business such as affiliate marketing is not like playing in the NBA, where you have to be a certain height or have a certain, be blessed with certain skill sets in order to be successful out on the basketball court, or really any professional sport for that matter. You really can do very well with it simply by not giving up. Really, affiliate marketing can be learned by anyone, anywhere, as long as you have a laptop, an internet connection, a little bit of persistence, and a whole lot of patience. So generally, if you don't have patience and persistence, then running a business in general is not for you. So as an example, guys, when you first met your current girlfriend or maybe your wife, if you were anything like me when I first met Benji's mom, it was probably already a done deal in your head. You guys were already enjoying yourselves as a couple right up here. You just needed to find a way to make that a reality. But then it was time for you to make that first move, right? So then you kind of talk to yourself, you psych yourself up, you finally walk over to her, and chances are what happened? You were probably shot down, completely rejected. Ew, what is that? Rejection? Yeah, that's what it was, rejection. And then, you probably walked away with your your tail between your legs, and you felt it. It felt deep. Now, failure isn't fun. In fact, most people who fail will end up just giving up, throwing their hands up in the air, saying that this is a scam or it's not worth pursuing. The very fact that you eventually won your girlfriend or your future wife over and showed her you were the best thing since sliced bread was because you were patient and you were persistent and you wouldn't take no for an answer. So use that motivation to know that you need those same things: patience, persistence, motivation, in order to be successful with really anything in life, not just online business, but anything. So my question to you is, how do you react to failure? In fact, let me know down in the comments how you react to failure. I mean, do you shrink back and kick yourself for the rest of eternity? Or do you turn that negative energy into positive energy and come back stronger and fiercer, making sure that you get what you wanted? You see, that is what is required to be successful with affiliate marketing or really any business venture in general. Running your own online business is tough. It really is difficult to do, but it definitely beats breaking your back 12 hours a day with manual labor. Thankfully, I have the beauty of saying that I earn more than a full-time income just from my laptop. But it didn't come easy. It took me a little while to finally piece everything together. But unlike working at a traditional job where you may work 8, 10, or even 12 hours or more per day, and you're working really, really hard, or you could just be working enough not to get fired, but putting in that patience, persistence, time, effort, blood, sweat, and tears, whatever you want to call it. When you put in really hard work toward your online endeavor, something like affiliate marketing, it will pay you back in a huge way, based almost solely on how much work you put into it. So based on what we've talked about today, if you think you have what it takes to really own your own online business and turn it from nothing into something, then be sure to check out my #1 recommendation. It's really the same training that I use almost every day, to continue building my business. It's over at benjisdad.com/guide. There is a free video that will break down exactly what I'm doing right now that's helping me build my own online income. So as a bonus, if you do decide to sign up, you're going to be able to work directly with me, as well as I'm going to send you over $700 full of bonuses, but you got to believe in yourself and take a chance. Don't waste time thinking what will happen if you're not successful with it. Think about what could happen if you are successful with it. And with the right training and mentorship, anyone can do it. So be sure to go check it out over at benjisdad.com/guide. So if I inspired you at all, please be sure to smash that like button, as well as comment below with your biggest roadblock that's stopping you from wanting to pursue an online business. I spend an unhealthy amount of time in the comment section, so if you take the time out to write me a comment or tell me what your biggest roadblock is, I'll try to help you out, each and every one of you, as well as probably give you a little bit of encouragement so that you can move on past your roadblock and start creating more income streams in your life. So be sure to share this video with at least one person who you think could use a little motivation. And if you want to take control of your life with an online business, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That should pop up about right here. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right there. And I will catch you all later. Completely honest with you, but check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right